Just rock the session. Come again. Let's talk in any of other session where we will.
Somebody please help me.
Somebody please, you are shouting, you are in deep trouble. Hey, somebody
I
please.
have to do that. It's a compulsion. You need to do that and you must do that. There is no other option. It's a compulsion.
Arundhati, come and sit here in this seat. You should be the coach. Studying in a private school, English medium school, or so that's why you got such a good English, good command, good style, good accent. You can be a news reader. You can be a news reader. Yeah. So what are your vocabularies? Fantastic. Doppelganger. And similarly, if you have same name, so you and Arundhati Roy, namesakes. Namesake means you share. Hello, Arundhati.
Hi.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
Thank you.
So, how are you, Arundhati? Arundhati, what's your title? Rohikma.
No, it's Roktima. It's double K actually.
Roktima.
Yeah.
Wow, nice. Where are you from, Arundhati?
I'm from the state of Chhattisgarh and I live in the town of Bhilai.
Bhilai steel plant. Your dad working in the steel plant. You are nice. Bhilai steel plant, one of the oldest companies, government sector, Bhilai steel plant. And Bihar is famous for this factory company. And Bihar is famous for the natural resources. And what do you do? What do you do?
I'm a student. I'm 13 years old.
13 years old. Have you heard about Arundhati Roy? It's a famous writer. Yeah. And you look like Arundhati Roy.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't think so.
Maybe your face similar to Arundhati Roy. So if you have a similar face with someone else, have you heard that? No, in the world there will be 7 persons having the same face. Yeah. So have you come across with some of your humshakal?
No, not yet.
So if you find or meet someone, or if anybody with the same face cut or same image, we call in English there is a word doppelganger.
Yeah.
You know that?
Yeah.
Wow, your vocabulary is fantastic. Doppelganger. And similarly, if you have same name, so you and Arundhati Roy, namesakes. Namesake means you share same name. Doppelganger means you share same face cut or style or image. And if you are wearing the same dress, suppose you go to school and she's also wearing a red t-shirt, then what do you say? What do you say that? What do you say? Same pinch? Same pinch?
Yeah, same pinch.
But there's another word in English, twinning. We are twinning. Twins. Have you heard twins? Twins means jodua. Yeah. So you will look like joduas. So you can say, hey, Rohan, we are twinning today. Means, you did not deliberately do that. So you were wearing a red dress, or sometimes I always used to wear a red t-shirt. So I can say, I don't think we are twinning today. Right. So you are in 8th standard, right? So now it's exam time. What are you doing here? You have good English. And what are you doing in Clapingo?
Could you repeat that? Actually, your voice broke up a little.
It's your exam time, your annual exam time. Then what are you doing here? You have very good English.
Yeah, actually, my exams just got over on 3rd of March. So I'm on a vacation sort of a thing right now. So I am back on Clapingo. I took a break for the exams, but I'm now back on Clapingo to improve my spoken English.
Oh, something. Why do you want to improve something? If you lack something, if you are not skilled in that, then improve. But you are already skilled. You speak good English. You can be a coach in Clapingo. So, what are your plans for these holidays? What are you planning? Any travel plan or backpacking or any plans?
I don't have any travel plans as such, but I do have some plans on improving some creative skills, maybe improving my painting skills or something like that.
So how do you plan to do that? Self learning, self
Yeah,
study,
self-learning.
online, YouTube.
No, self-learning. And also I love history, geography and subjects like that, and I was thinking of reading some books on of those
Yeah,
subjects.
that's very good. That's very good. And can you read books very fast? Or like in one novel, you complete in 1 week time or 10 days or 3 days? How fast
I
you read?
I am a fast reader. I would say like I can finish a 1,000-page book in like 3 to 4 days.
1,000 page in 3 to 4 days. You are super fast. You are Arundhati Express. So you read slow reading, like the mind, which is better, Arundhati, to understand better is reading out loud or reading in your mind, which is better.
So I feel like if you want to really understand the plot and think about it really deeply, then reading out loud is better because then you're also listening the same thing and also reading the same thing at the same time. So you can understand the plot better.
You're
But
using you're using two sense organs. You
yeah,
can see that and you can hear that.
yeah.
So how's your vocabulary? You must be having a strong vocabulary.
I mean, it's okay. I can understand words, but I don't really use those difficult words all the time.
You must be studying in a private school, English medium school,
Yeah.
or yeah. So that's why you got such a good English, good command, good style, good accent. You can be a news reader. You can be a news reader. Yeah. So what are your career options, Arundhati?
I was thinking of taking up a job related to the government, maybe like in government administrator or maybe in the law sector.
You mean IAS? IAS?
Maybe.
Maybe, maybe.
Yes.
So after 12th, what's your plan? Will you go for biology, science, physics, chemistry, or maths, physics, chemistry?
None. I would like to go for humanity and sociology.
Wow, humanities. What's your favorite subject?
History for sure.
Wow. What do you know on the history of Bihar? What is so Bihar has got a very important place in Indian history. Anything you know about the importance of Bihar in Indian history? What comes to your mind?
So I think the Champaran movement comes to my mind. There were many nationalist movements for a freedom struggle in Bihar, and there are many things that happened in Bihar, and mainly I can think about the movements that happened there.
Wow. Okay. How about English? You said history is your favorite. How about English? English
is all right. I like English. It's okay, but it's not my favorite because
it's not my cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea.
Yeah, it's not my cup of tea.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. Okay. How good are you in grammar?
I think I'm okay in grammar.
How many tenses are there? How many tenses are there?
There are 3 types of tenses: present,
basic,
past,
basic tenses. Then next, present, past,
then
future.
We have simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous tenses.
So total, how many tenses?
12, I suppose.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Right. So, can you tell me one simple present tense? Simple present.
I eat my breakfast every day.
I eat my breakfast every day. Simple present continuous.
Simple present continuous. I am eating my breakfast now.
Past tense. Simple past.
I ate my breakfast in the morning.
Simple future.
I will eat my breakfast tomorrow.
Past continuous. Simple past continuous.
I was eating my breakfast earlier.
Simple future.
I will be eating my breakfast at this time tomorrow.
So these 6 are called as the basic tenses, and we have another 6 advanced. So are you good in perfect tense? Present perfect?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah, present perfect. Same verb I and eat. Present perfect.
I have eaten my lunch already.
I have eaten. Why not? I have eaten my breakfast today. Is it correct? If I say I have eaten my breakfast.
No, eaten.
I have eaten. What you said? I have eaten my breakfast.
No, my lunch today.
I have eaten my lunch. There is one correction in that. You should say, I have taken my lunch today. I have had my lunch today.
Yeah.
So I had my lunch. I had my dinner. So this is the main meal. But I have eaten one apple. I have eaten white ice cream. I've eaten some chocolates. So if you are speaking about something special, then you can say eat. Otherwise, breakfast, lunch, dinner, you should use I have, I had, I have had my dinner. So perfect tense is perfect. Perfect tense is perfect. And next 3. Are you okay with the next 3? Perfect continuous tense.
Yeah.
Present perfect continuous. Yeah. So I and eat.
I have been eating. I
have been eating. I had been eating, and I will have been eating. Wow, 100 out of 100. So you should be getting good marks in English.
Yeah, I do get good marks.
What's the difference between I should do that and I have to do that? What's the difference?
I should do that is like sort of an advice. It's not really compulsory, but I have to do that. It's a compulsion. You need to do that, and you must do that. There is no other option. It's a compulsion.
Arundhati, come and sit here in this seat. You should be the coach. See, I asked this question to several students, not very senior. They could not tell what's the difference between I should me. Hey, doctors will say, hey, Arundhati, you should walk for 1 hour. It is, so that means it's an option. It's optional.
Yeah.
Okay, but you have to. I have to study hard to crack the IAS. Means there is no option. You have to do that.
Yeah.
Tell me one sentence using everything.
Everything I do is amazing.
Everything I do is amazing. That was an amazing sentence. And anything.
You can buy anything you want from this store.
Something.
I want to eat something.
Nobody.
Nobody likes mint chocolate.
Somebody.
Somebody please help me.
Somebody please. You are shouting. You are in deep trouble. Hey, somebody please help.
Yeah.
But nobody came and rescued me. So that sentence for you next is nobody. What will you say?
No. Nobody came to my rescue.
Anything. Oh, I think you have done that with that. And nothing.
Nothing.
No.
I
have nothing to tell you. I have nothing to tell you today.
Okay, I have nothing to tell you.
Can you make a sentence with something and nothing? You have to use both.
Okay. I want to eat something right now because I have eaten nothing since morning.
Something is better than nothing.
Yeah, something is better than nothing.
I want you, before I wrap up this session, I want you to sing an English song. 3 or 4 lines. 3 or 4 lines.
Which English song?
Your choice. Your choice.
Okay. Wait. I can't think of any other song.
Any song. You know the Titanic dance selling song. Every day, every night in my dreams you come. You must be knowing that song. You must be knowing that song.
No, I surprisingly don't know that.
Any other song, but English.
English. Can I sing like a poem or something?
Yeah, anything. Okay. Oh, yeah. Twinkle, twinkle. No, 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 no. This is absolute cheating. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. No, then I'll get you something else. I will tell you once. We have only 1 minute. Okay. But no, I don't have any feedback to give you. You are awesome. It was a pleasure talking to you, my dear Arundhati Roktima. You just rocked the session. Come again. Let's talk in any of other session where we will have more discussions about your schools, your dreams, your goals, and your hobbies. I have to talk a lot with you. I would love that, to meeting you again.